I'm Jada. Today I'm taking you with me to get my nails done. I've been doing my nails myself forever and I'm still kind of doing them myself this time, but I've started getting builder gel and I just want this time to be done professionally. Like, since everybody learned how to do their own nails and cut their own hair and all of that in lockdown, I've been doing my nails myself because it's so much cheaper, so much quicker, easier. I don't mind. Actually, it's not quicker. But these are my nails right now. They're literally like a bit outgrown, but this is just nail polish that I put on for an event. I've bought some little like stickers, like nail stickers. I've never tried before, so I'm gonna try this time. I'll link where I got them from as well because they have so many and their page looks so good. So yeah, come with me to get my nails done and then we're gonna kind of enhance them. I'm gonna get like something basic so that when I'm doing the rest myself, it just is like a really nice base, if that makes sense. I'm on my way home. These are the nails. I didn't have a great experience, to be honest, but the place that I went, I've been a million times and they usually get it really right, but this time wasn't it. But I'm not here to slander them. The nails are cute. I just hope my stuff has arrived so we can do the next part. These are so cute and like they were so easy to apply. I've got like different ones on each hand and they were cheap too, so like I definitely would get more and maybe make another video, but they have so many different styles. Like, it's honestly so good. I'm so impressed. Look how cute. And like, it's just cute. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I upload every single week, every Saturday, so let me know who your favorite character is. Mine is definitely Killua. My favorite characters fluctuate, but at the moment it's Killua. I love Shoto as well, so I love all of them that are on here. So anyway, let me know who your favorite character is. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!